So everyone, please, we will do with 8.4 solve problems using angle relationships. Please turn to page number 436. Everyone, please turn to page number 436 and highlight this. I can give you as blanks for tomorrow that angles opposite to each other are called as dash. So you will write there vertical angles. Please girls, at least follow now. Those who will not listen cannot do the homework. You know very well. Judy, underline. Dana, underline. Rishan, Noor, please underline. Okay, girls. Next, non-overlapping angles that share a ray. Non-overlapping angles that share a ray are called adjacent angles. I will explain you what is this called, non-overlapping angles. Like you see this one, these are vertical opposite angles, guys. If you see these angles, this one, if you see this angle here and here, this is opposite to each other. They are called as vertical opposite angles. Now example, x plus 35, girls, x plus 35 is equal to 2x minus 10. Do you agree to this? Because they are opposite angles. Because they are opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other. These two are opposite to each other. Majduleen? Tomorrow is the graded material homework. I'm gonna give you 5 questions in your homework and you need to solve it. Like if you listen to the class today, you will be able to do that. Hello? Majduleen?
Yes.
Please listen to this. Angle opposite to each other are called as vertical angles. I'm going to give a homework. That is your graded material. If you get full mark in the homework, I will add extra mark to your, what you call as quizzes. I will upload it tomorrow. But you can do that homework when you listen to the class today.
Okay.
See here. Angle opposite to each other are called vertical angles. Non-overlapping angles that share a ray are called adjacent angles. Now, when I said these two lines are opposite to each other, these two angles, do you see here, Majdaleen? These two angles are opposite to each other and they are equal. That means x plus 35 is equal to 2x minus 10. Do you agree to this? Because they're opposite to each other. These angles are opposite to each other. They are equal. X plus 35 equal 2x minus 10. Till here, did everyone understand this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now, girls, arrange according to the sisters and brother. You remember like and unlike? I'll bring 10 here, this side, and I'll send x that side. Why? I will tell you. If I bring 10 this side, this becomes 35 plus 10. 10 comes to the other side and becomes plus. Whereas 2x I'll copy and this plus x becomes minus x. So I have 40, 30 plus 35 plus 10 is 45. And I have 2x minus x is 1x. This is nothing but 1. 2x minus x is x. So I got x equal to 45 degrees. Did you understand this?
No.
Okay, again. X plus 35 equals 2x minus 10. Did you get this? This you got it why I wrote this because these two angles are equal. X plus 35 is equal to 2x minus 10. I wrote you. This you understood, this line?
Yes.
Now, I want to make the like terms, family together. If I want to make family together, I will bring the number to the number side and I will send the letter to the letter side. If I do that, okay, 35 is here. I'm bringing this number. I'll put an arrow mark. I'm bringing 10 to this side. If I bring 10 to this side, minus 10 become plus 10. Minus 10 become plus 10 and it's equal and it is x. 2x minus x. That is 40 equals 2x minus x is x. So that's your answer. 2x minus 1x is 1x. I wrote just x there. Now did you understand? Girls, if you don't understand these questions, I will just try to give what you call as these two.
I understand.
And I can give you some questions, easy questions from probability. Is it okay? Or homework? Like if choosing a blue marble is 4, so 4 out of the whole 10. I'll give you such kind of question. Okay, girls?
Okay.
So that you all can solve it. Did you write this? Did you finish right? Anyways, you don't have to write this because it's an example. Coming here, girls. If they give you this question here, if they give you this diagram and they ask you, vertical angles are equal, so the equation 3x minus 6 equal 14. Do you agree to this that they both are equal? Because vertical opposite angles, these are opposite angles. These are vertical opposite angles. So I told you that 3x minus 6 equal 114. Do you agree to this? Do you understand this? Why both are equal, Zishan? Vertical opposite angles are always equal. 3x minus 6 equal 100. How will I find x? I think you remember the algebra. How do I find x? What should I send to the other side? 3x equal 114 plus 6. Do you understand why did I? Because 6 goes to another side. Yes, I think you remember this algebra. Now, what is left with x? 3. 3 is multiplication. It becomes that side. Now, x equal 114 plus 6 is 10. What is 114 plus 6? If I'm not wrong, it's 120. And this 3 is going to go down. So it is 120 over. Please stop me if you don't understand. Majduleen, Miral, anyone. Stop me if you don't get it. Let me know if you don't understand where do I get this 40 from. I will explain once again. Girls, everyone got,
Yes.
I got what, 40?
Yes.
Multiplication becomes division. Minus 6 goes and become plus 6 and I got x equal to 40. Shall I go to next page? 437. Shall I go to next page? Did you complete writing this? Girls, you are getting exact these questions, so please, if you're not solving it, at least write in the copybook with your page numbers, please. Judy, Noor. Judy and Noor.
Miss, I'm writing.
Yes, girls, are you done?
No.
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay, Yalla, come on, finish it. Write the page number. Write the better you all do in the textbook, because if you get the same diagram, if you get the same question, and I change such numbers, you know what to do. Miral, did you understand this question? Miral.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, turn to next page then. Vertical opposite angles, girls. You need to know that vertical opposite angles are always equal. Now here, complementary angles have sum of 90 degrees. Again, please, all of you are with your textbooks,
Yes.
or else I will ask you all to open your cam and show me. Please, girls. Highlight this. You will get all these in your graded material homeworks. Complementary angles have sum of how much? 90 degrees. Supplementary angles have sum of 180 degrees. Now, when I add these angles, girls, do you all know how to read this? Do you all know how to read this? Like this is angle D, angle E, angle G. This is DEG, DEG. And this one, angle G, angle E, angle F. Angle DEG and GEF, if you add, you have plus. Girls, did you ever study about this before, that this is 90 degrees? Did Miss Susan taught you that this is 90 degrees? You know that this is 90 degrees or no? If I make a L,
Yes.
if I make a L like this, and you have a small square or rectangle here like this, exactly. This means that this is 90 degrees. How much it is? It means it is 90 degrees. Now, if I divide them and if I add them, 3x plus 36, I have 90. Now let us solve. 3x plus 36 equals 90. So what is 3x? 3x equal 90 minus 36. So 3x equal again. What is 90 minus 36? 54, I guess. If I'm not wrong, yes, 54. And then finally you have x equal 54 over 3. Please note down this procedure, what I am writing. Don't go with this procedure. So x equal 18. You have x equal 18. Put a star mark to this question. Nothing. I added both, so I get 90. 3x plus 36, I get 90, and then I find out x with that using algebra. Any question?
No.
Now here, the two angles shown are supplementary. If they ask you the angles are supplementary, that means the answer has to be 180. I mean, this plus this gives you 180. But if it is complementary, that means this plus this gives you 90. This I'm not going to give you. These are tough words. This is, I will not give you this kind. The X mark here. If I add them, x over 2 plus 46, I get 180. X plus 2 over 46 equal 180. X over 2. It's this, girls. X over 2 minus 4 equals 180 plus 50 equals 180. When I minus 4, I get x over 2 plus 46 equal 180. Now I need to send 46 to the other side. So it is x over 2 if 146 goes to the other side, it becomes 134, girls. It becomes 134. So x will be 2 times 134, that is 268. That is 268. Again, girls, you will have question from this one, and then you have question, what are complementary angles? What is the sum of complementary angles? What is the sum of supplementary angles? You must know about it. Okay? Did you finish, girls? Did you finish or not yet?
Yes.
Finished.
We're done.
Now, girls, what are adjacent angles here? What is the meaning of adjacent angles? They are next to each other, like this, girls. Like, I'll spot the light. If you see angle 1 and angle 2, they are next to each other. So we call them adjacent angles. If I ask you what is adjacent to 4, you'll say me 4 and 5 are adjacent. If I ask you what is adjacent to angle 1, you will say angle 1 and angle 2. How you will say that? Because they're next to each other here. Like this is a line. Here and here. These are adjacent angles. Angle 1 and this is a line. And this is angle 1 and angle 2. This is adjacent angle. Here this is a line. Angle 4 and angle 5. This is the adjacent. List all pairs of vertical angles. Girls, vertical opposite angles means 1 and 3. I told you this is opposite. This is opposite. This is called as opposite angle. Again, very important. I'll give you an ask this. Put a star mark, girls. Put a star mark to this question. Angle 1 and 3. Angle 1 and 3 are called as angle 1, angle 3. They are called as vertical angles. Angle 1 and angle 2, they are called as adjacent angles. If I ask you, if I give this drawing and ask you what is adjacent angle, will you choose 1 and 2? And if I ask you vertical angles, you will say 1 and 3 because they are vertical opposite angles, 1 and 3. Understood? Or any question? Majduleen? You got this?
Yes.
If I say vertical adjacent, that means 1 and 2 are adjacent to each other. If I ask you vertical, you'll say 1 and 3 because vertical is always opposite angles. 1 and 3, they are opposite to each other. Did you understand this? List vertical angle.
Yeah.
It means 1 and 3. List adjacent,
Yeah,
1 and 2. So 1 and 3 are the same measure. Yes, 1 and 3 are same. As I told you, vertical angles are same. 9x equal to, one second here. 9x equal to 90 degrees. Oh. Why 9x equal to 90 degrees? Anyone? 30 degrees? Sorry, 90. 9x is 90 because vertical opposite. They're opposite and they have to be equal. Because vertical angles. Vertical angles. All right. So when 9x equal to 90, what is x, Zishan? Where will 9 go?
With the to the other side.
Other side where? It is, it will go divide or multiply.
Divide.
Yeah, excellent here. I'm so happy. 90 over 9. What is 90 over 9? Your answer is 10. So this is how I got 10. See, Zishan, 9x equal to 90. Why? Because they're opposite angles. Vertical angles are always equal. 9x equal to 90. From that, if I find out x, I got 10. Miral, Majduleen, Judy, Noor, are you getting it?
Yes.
Sure? That's it for today's class. Have page 438. I will again say you.